Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can edit videos like this on CapCut using the Mainstays effect. Just select your video and then I'm going to select first effect. Just select this motion blur and make it short, and then copy paste in the same length until the finish video. And then just going to select second effect. Just select this camera shake, so just drag and adjust body duration like this. Third effect and this party effect, and select this white place, so just like camera shake effect, so you can play this result. Okay, that's simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.